Bitcoin trades below $36,000, Ether near $2,000. Crypto custodian Hex Trust obtains full Dubai operating license. GPT-5 is officially on the OpenAI roadmap despite prior hesitation. Crypto giant OKX goes live with off-exchange derivatives trading. Disney reveals NFT platform with Dapper Labs including Star Wars and Pixar. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency markets were trading lower on Wednesday after the US Consumer Price Index or CPI for October came in flat versus expectations for a slight rise. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of top 15 cryptocurrencies was trading at 45,820 points, down by 1.78%. The CPI data revealed that inflation continues to ease in the country at 3.2% against the market expectation of 3.3% and down from September's 3.7%. The data many believe would prompt the Federal Reserve to pause the rate hike and could lead to cutting rates in the first half of 2024. The expectations drove investors to equities while triggering liquidation of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum witnessed profit-taking after the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics released the October Consumer Price Index report. Bitcoin was at $35,917, down 1.96%. Bitcoin has rallied over 30% in the past month alone, making subsequent profit-taking an inevitability. After having doubled in 2023, partly on optimism that regulators will allow the first US exchange-traded funds investing directly in the token. Those gains stoked some caution about how much further Bitcoin can advance. Ether fell 3% to trade at $1,994. Last week, it gained $2,000 level for the first time since July on BlackRock's spot ETH exchange-traded fund filing. Binance BNB was trading at $246, lower by 0.4%. Cardano ADA was at $0.364, down 0.44% in the last 24 hours. Ripple's XRP token was down 3.5% at $0.635. Polygon's Matic was down by 1.65% at $0.8423. Solana SOL was up 8% at $59.2, adding over 36% over the past week. Doge, the popular meme coin, was down 1.9% at $0.073. Shiba Inu was down by 1.1%.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. Institutional-grade crypto custodian Hex Trust has obtained a full operating license from Dubai's Wara, the company announced Wednesday. The operating license is the final approval under Wara's regulatory regime for crypto service providers, which came into effect earlier this year. Hex Trust was approved for a minimum viable product or MVP operational license by the regulator in February, and completing the final step in the licensing process allows the firm to continue offering crypto custodial services to institutional clients and sophisticated investors in Dubai. The firm was also approved for registration with France's financial markets regulator to offer digital asset custody, buying, selling and trading in August, signaling expansion in Europe as well. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman told the Financial Times yesterday that GPT-5 is in the early stages of development, even as the latest public version GPT-4 is rampaging through the AI marketplace. Until we go train that model, it's like a fun guessing game for us. We are trying to get better at it because I think it's important from a safety perspective to predict the capabilities, Altman told FT. But I can't tell you here's exactly what it's going to do that GPT-4 did not. While Altman did not share technical details, OpenAI seems to be in the preparatory phase of GPT-5 development. Altman implied that his company has not started training the model, so this early phase could involve establishing the training methodology, organizing annotators, and most crucially, curating the dataset. Even if OpenAI has not started actively training GPT-5, it is likely assembling the key ingredient it needs: data. OpenAI recently deployed a new web crawler GPT bot to expand its corpus by collecting publicly available information online. If GPT-5 pushes the boundaries even further, it could have massive implications across industries from healthcare to education and finance. However, concerns remain around bias, misinformation, and malicious use, underscoring the need for rigorous testing. OKX, the second largest cryptocurrency trading platform, is providing derivatives trading without the counterparty risk associated with assets being held on the exchange, enriching an existing partnership with asset manager CoinShares and custody joint venture Komenu. Since FTX blew up last year, a number of players in the crypto space have devised ways to trade and settle off exchange from the safe confines of a trusted custody setup. Off-exchange settlement is relatively easily done for spot markets, said the head of the hedge fund solutions at CoinShares, Luis Velas. A big differentiator, he said, is providing a similar arrangement when it comes to derivatives trading, as well as rolling out Komenu custody-based derivatives trading, with the main CoinShares entity. A gaggle of other hedge funds will be using the new system. The settlement system will also be expanded to other exchanges in due course. Entertainment giant Disney will launch an NFT collectibles platform with NBA Top Shot maker Dapper Labs called Disney Pinnacle, the company's announced Tuesday. Inspired by the physical pins that Disney sells at its theme parks and that fans collect and trade, Disney Pinnacle will offer pin-inspired digital collectibles that are minted on NFTs on the Flow blockchain, the same network as NBA Top Shot and NFL All Day. The platform will include digital pins based on Disney, Pixar, and Star Wars characters and properties such as Buzz Lightyear and Woody from Toy Story, the Disney princesses, and Darth Vader from Star Wars, as some that will be in the mix. While Disney also owns Marvel, the comic book IP was not mentioned in the announcement. Disney Pinnacle has opened up its waitlist, and the platform will gradually onboard users to help test the experience in beta before an eventual full launch. However, no timeline has been established for the public rollout. The Disney Pinnacle announcement comes amid recent signs of a revival for the NFT market, which had lost considerable steam following the peaks of 2021 and early 2022. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Shiba Inu holders are receiving an alert to ensure the safety of their assets due to recent developments in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shibarium, an account dedicated to uncovering scams and protecting the Shiba Inu community, has urged the community to stay alert as scammers have developed new methods to prey on unsuspecting individuals. They have been intimating the SHIB magazine landing page and requesting users to connect their wallets to steal funds. Shiba Inu holders are advised to double-check website URLs and never connect their wallet to any website or platform without first completing due diligence. The second issue of SHIB magazine offers 3,000 free Manny, Pac-Man, Pacquiao SHIB NFT covers as a treat for the Shiba Inu community. Additionally, Shibarium-based DEX MarSwap has implemented an on-off ramp feature that allows users to buy the Shiba Inu governance token bone using a bank card or PayPal. Shiba Inu was trading 2.12% down in the last 24 hours. Moving on, the Stellar network is set to undergo a transformative upgrade with Protocol 20 to enable smart contract functionalities through the integration of Soroban on its mainnet. This move is a significant step in the network's evolution, aiming to enhance flexibility and innovation capabilities. The Stellar Development Foundation and its ecosystem have been working on this for 2 years, introducing 12 new core advancement proposals for Soroban smart contracts activation on Stellar's mainnet. The integration of Soroban with smart contracts will expand the network's possibilities, offering developers unprecedented opportunities for innovation and adaptability. Over 100 projects are now ready to launch post-mainnet upgrade, including developers' tools and DeFi primitives. Stellar was trading at $0.11, down 3.1% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list is Polkadot. Polkadot price has risen for 4 consecutive weeks, reaching a high of $5.9 this week. The upward movement caused a breakout from a descending resistance trend line and reclaiming true horizontal resistance areas. Furthermore, another catalyst for this upward trend is Polkadot's decentralized exchange Polkadex, partnering up with TradingView to provide users with price charting and technical analysis tools. This could signal a new movement in the opposite direction, potentially triggering a bullish trend reversal or upward correction. The bullish divergence in the weekly RSI since the start of the year supports the upward momentum. Polkadot was trading at $5.3, down near 4% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list is Reddit. Reddit's decision to terminate the Moons project, which was launched in 2020, has sparked controversy among the crypto community. Users wanted to revive the Moons crypto project, leaving Reddit admins out of the deal. The moderators of the R cryptocurrency subreddit announced that the admins will re-announce the Moons contract, which is expected to be completed by the end of this month. The updated smart contract will prevent the creation of new Moons, but exchange listing will remain intact. All Moons held in the community tank will be burned, lowering the token's total supply from nearly 126 million to 83.2 million Moon. This move is expected to make Moon a deflationary token. Despite the news, Moon has skyrocketed 150%, reaching $0.17. Moons are ERC20 tokens awarded to users for their contribution to the R cryptocurrency subreddit. Moon was trading at $0.2, up 65% in the last 24 hours. Moving on, Celestia has seen a 25% rise since its local bottom of $4.32, but its social activity has declined by 55.5%. The platform released its mainnet on October 31st and airdropped TR tokens to 580,000 users. Despite a drop in social volume on Twitter, Telegram, and Reddit, Celestia is still trending on CoinMarketCap. TR has registered a 135% surge over the past week and is up by 154% from its starting price of around $2.1. The asset was listed on Binance with promising scalable blockchain solutions that Ethereum and Solana failed to bring to their users. TR was trading at $5.92, up 9% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3verse3v.io or scan the QR code.